So I've always been a fan of sci-fi movies and always wondered how they make those kind of like captivating special effects that just keep you gripped and on the edge of your seat. So I'm going to show you a couple of tips and a few pieces of equipment that will help you create some really standout effects that are shot in camera as opposed to having to put in post. So excuse the badly lit setup for this one, but I thought rather than sort of light me, it's all about what's going on with the lights around me. So light travels in beams or waves, and because of that, with a few special bits of kit, we can basically show those beams and create real cinematic effects very easily. So the first bit of equipment you're going to need is obviously a light source, and trying to create as hard a defined edge to that light as possible will make this effect even more stand out. You can see here, and through sort of the clips we've shown, the beam of light we've got is extremely tight and sharp, and the tighter it is and the sharper it is, the more distinct and standout it will be. So don't try and use a softbox for this. You'll still get the same effect, but it just won't be as punchy. And the next thing you're going to need is a haze machine or a fog machine. So what the haze or the fog, whatever you want to call it, does is allows you to define that light within it. So then what you would do is try to use the right amount of haze or the right amount of fog, and there's no exact science to this. You kind of just got to guess. As I said that, it spurts a little bit out. You've kind of just got to guess until it feels right for you. A great bit of advice you can do is get yourself some polystyrene boards or some foam boards, and as it starts to blow into the space you're filming in, you know, use it to fan up and just disperse that fog a little bit better, because then that allows you to control it. Then obviously you need to control the light and create those cut-in motion through it. And when you combine that with good cinematography, like, you're able to create these real effective special effects in camera as opposed to having to do them in post. Now post, there's a lot you can do in post, but any good gaffer, any good film director will always say to you is like, get it right in camera. And the more you get right in camera, the easier it is to sort of manage in post. So hopefully, you know, by showing you this and showing you sort of the clip that I was able to produce in this small space, you'll be able to see that you can add real cinematic effects to your production, and hopefully you use it. So until next time guys, hopefully I'll see you back on the channel. Give this a share to your filmmaking community. There might be something in here that's useful to the rest of them, or you can all just take the mickey out of me. I don't mind, I'm happy either way. Until next time guys, stay safe.